I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device actually supports spatial audio and is updated. Once done, set volume to a safe mid-level and turn off any EQ or sound processing that masks spatial cues. Next, connect using the recommended path, wired, or the specific wireless codec for your gear, because the connection method determines latency and channel fidelity. If you hit a mismatch, pause and switch codecs or cables now before moving to calibration. Now you focus on calibration and routing. You should run the device's spatial or head tracking calibration so virtual cues align with your head position. This step changes depth perception dramatically. Once calibrated, ensure the output routing matches the content. Enable spatial output or pass-through instead of downmixing to stereo. Also make sure the playback app is sending the right format, Dolby Atmos or the specific spatial stream, because mismatched formats force the system to collapse. Finally, validate the result with trusted spatial demo tracks so you can hear correct imaging and distance cues. Lock your settings and perform a quick reboot to ensure the changes persist. Software state reset often fixes transient issues. If imaging still feels flat, reset audio drivers or try another pair of headphones or a different speaker output to isolate hardware faults. Quick troubleshooting tip. If stage width collapses, toggle pass-through off and on or reinstall the audio codec. That usually restores proper channel mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.